Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Fashion Design. Today we are diving into the world of dresses. We are going to check out some amazing bodycon and A-line dresses that are trending right now. If you are ready to find out what hot is in fashion, stick around. Let's start with the bodycon dresses. Bodycon stand for bodycon conscious, which means these dresses are designed to hug your body and show off your curves. They are super popular right now because they look fantastic on everyone. These dresses are perfect for making a statement at parties or special events. They come in lots of color and patterns, so you can pick one that match your style. Want to feel like a star? Bodycon dresses are you go to. Now let's check out the A-line dresses. This style is named because it look like the letter A when you look at it from the front. The dresses is fitted at the top and flares out at the bottom. It's super comfortable and really flattering. A-line dresses are great for any occasions, whether you are going to school, a family gathering, a fun day out. They are easy to move around in and always look stylish. Plus they are perfect if you want to a dress that gives you a classic elegant look. Let's talk about the little black dress or LBD. This is a must have for every wardrobe. It's versatile, meaning you can dress it up with fancy shoes and accessories, or keep it simple for more a casual look. Next up we have the warp dresses. These dresses warp around your body and ties at the waist, giving you a beautiful shape. It's perfect for a day out or a special dinner. Warp dresses are comfy and easy to adjust so you can find the perfect fit. They are great if you are want to look stylish without feeling too dressed up. So those are some of the coolest bodycon and A-line dresses trending right now. Which one do you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more fashion tips, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and share it with your friends. We have got lots more exciting content coming your way, so make sure to stay tuned and let's kick things off with the bodycon dresses. Bodycon is short for body conscious, and these dresses are designed to fit snugly around and your body. They highlight your curves and give you a sleek, stylish look. Bodycon dresses are perfect for making a bold statement, whether you are heading to a party, a special event, or a night out with friends. These dresses help you stand out. They come in tones of colors and patterns, so you can find one that match your personality. A quick tip: pair your bodycon dresses with some stylish heels and matching clutch to complete to your look. You will be ready to turn heads. Now let's move on the A-line dresses. The A-line dresses gets its name from its shape. It looks like an. Now let's move on the A-line dresses. The A-line dresses gets its names from its shapes. It look like an A with a fitted top and a skirt that flares out. This design is super flattering and comfortable. A-line dresses are great for any occasions. They are perfect for casual outings, family events, or even a day at school. The flared skirt gives you plenty of rooms to move around and it's always in style. A-line dresses and are great of any occasions. They are perfect for casual outings, family events, even a day at school. The flared skirts gives or plenty of room to move around and it always in style. Let's not forget about the classic little black dress of LBD. This timeless piece is a staple in every wardrobe. It's versatile, stylish, and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasions. The LBD is like a magic dress. You can accessorize it with statement jewelry for a fancy event or pair it with casual shoes for a relaxed look. It's perfect for any event from a dinner party to a night out. From a trendy touch, try adding a colorful scarf of a blurred and a necklace to your LBD. It's an easy way to mix things up. Next up is the warp dress. This dress warp around your body and tights at the waist, which is super flattering and adjustable. It's great for creating a nice and is very comfortable. Warp dresses are fantastic for both casual and dressy occasions. They are perfect for a day at the office, a lunch date, or even a special. Warp dresses are fantastic for both casual and dressy occasions. They are perfect for a day at the office, a lunch date, or even a special night out. Plus, they are easy to adjust so you can always get the right fit. Try adding some cute ankle boots or sandals to your warp dress. And for a chic look, it's all about finding the right accessories to match your style. So those are some of the hottest bodycon and A-line dresses trending right now. From body hanging bodycon to the feltry A-line, there's something for every styles and occasions. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you enjoy this video and want to see more fashion tips and trends, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends. Your support means the world to us and help us bringing you even more awesome content. So look at these A-line bodycon dresses and fabulous, attractive, trending bodycon dresses. First up, let's dive into the bodycon dresses. The bodycon dresses is all about highlighting your natural shape. It's designed to fit closely to your body, showing off your curves in a sleek and stylish. Whether you are going to a party or fancy dinner, the bodycon dresses is your go-to for a head-tuning look. It comes in so many styles, solid colors, flat prints, and even texture fabric. Here's a cool tips if you want to add a bit of flair. Try wearing a bodycon dresses with a statement belt. It can your waist and add a unique touch to your outfit. Now let's talk about the A-line dresses. The A-line dresses is now for its flattering shape that fits snugly at the top and flows out for the waist. It's perfect for creating balanced. A-line dresses are versatile and can be dressed up or down. These perfect for a casual day, out of family gathering, or even a summer picnic. So the flare skirt give you freedom of movement while keeping you look chic. And for an extra touch, pair your line dresses with a cute cardigan or a denim jackets. It's a great way to layer up while staying stylish. Next, let's explore the little black dress and the classic and a must have in every wardrobe. It's timeless and works for almost any occasions. What's fantastic about the is its versatility. You can dress up with high heels and sparkly accessories for a night out or keep it simple with flats and minimal jewelry for a more relaxed look. So now let's talk about the ward dress. The ward dress is super popular because of its just